Hello, beautiful people. I have successfully finished, well, almost finished, my entire box, bag, thing. And I just got one more piece to put on. And I do regret not filming everything, but I filmed what I could, what I thought about it, and I'm still getting used to this whole filming thing since I don't really have any guidance except for a bunch of how-to videos, so I figured I'd make a couple of my own. Anyway, let's look and see how this this whole thing looks, and then I'll give you a pre-mortem of putting the whole thing together. Sorry, is it pre-mortem or post-mortem? I think it's post-mortem. Pre-mortem would be before something's dead, and post-mortem would be after something is done dead. Yes. Here is the finished product and all its stuff here. Would help if I had two hands on this. I'm still looking at maybe fixing the straps a little bit. Still not 100% happy with it. Could be I'm just not used to it. And there it is, full of my stuff. There's my little inside pocket. Now I like these little pockets. Just hard to get your hands in. And then I'm tilt you down here. And you got these pockets. Now there is a second thing to put on here. It's backpack straps. Let me see if I can get them here. A basket of stuff here. There's little backpack straps here. I need the hardware to go in to do the buckles and everything, and I don't have any more buckles. At some point I'm going to get the buckles and actually put all this together. But right now I'm happy with the tilt you back up. I know, dramatic camera movement, right? I'm pretty happy with the shoulder strap. It is a big bag, but it can hold a pretty sizable laptop and everything else that I need. It's the reason why I made this bag. Now hang on for a second. Now here's my first bag. This is how my first bag turned out. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple bag. These things I kind of did after the fact, so they're sort of not great. Didn't really have a plan for this one. This is how you close it. A little closure thing. Do it by one hand. I like it. It's pretty neat. So I needed something considerably bigger. And something that had these little things right here, because I didn't think about putting those things. You can see those things on there. I had one more thing to put on, which was a little nameplate. And that's the design I decided with, because I couldn't think of anything else to put, so I just put what I usually put on things when I can't think of anything, a little question mark. Let's see if you can see that there. Alright, let's just sort of guessed on how much thread I needed. I'm going with these little boogers. The creator of this pattern showed this trick where you put 2 needles through 2 holes, and that keeps your thread nice and even across the whole thing. Let's see if I can line this up. We'll have the ability to line it up. Alright, I wanted to pause here for a second and say something. Sometimes when you put things like this on, it's common to put glue down first so the thing doesn't come up. I didn't do that this time. I didn't think it's necessary, but we'll see in time. Now, like I said before, there is an option to put glue on this. Like before you put it down, you put glue on it. But I'm going to leave it unglued because at some point I may want to replace this. And if it's glued, then it's forever. Okay. You, me, and the thing in the same. Okay. I absolutely love this design. Nick, I think is his name, come up with this design, and I love the way it looks. I love the size. It's perfect for me. I think it's one of his largest bags. That he has on his site. Not many people want such a large bag. I needed a bag this size, and it was really fun to do. One of the best things that I like to do, just to relieve stress, is sometimes I'll play video games, which I may post some of those on this channel. I don't know. But I love to build things. I love to make things. I love to learn about things. And leather is not something that I do professionally. I haven't been doing it. This is my second project. I don't plan to do it professionally. I've done woodworking, carpentry, blacksmithing. All of these things I may at some point show. But for right now, I hope you enjoyed this little experiment of mine. Hopefully you'll see more of me in the future. And for everyone out there, I hope you are staying healthy, happy, and safe. Please be careful. Watch for yourself, for your neighbors. Wash your hands. Clean everything twice. And have a very good day.